If you are an HVAC company in US, you already know that how millions of marketing agencies trying to sell you the next best trick to get leads. But the problem is most of those agencies never looked how a customer actually buy or how an HVAC business operates. In this video, I am breaking down the exact customer journey your customer take and the top digital and physical strategies that you can systematically use in your system. No gatekeeping. If this year you are trying to scale your revenue in HVAC business, then this is the video for you. Let's jump right into it. Before spending even a single dollar on advertising, you must know that there are only two types of customer journeys in home services. Let's look at the first one. Meet John. It's mid-July and it's 95 degrees outside and John's AC suddenly completely dies. Now he is experiencing an immediate panic. He does not scroll the social media for discount code. He opens up his phone and types emergency AC repair near me and calls the business with the highest rating and reviews and quickest response time. Now he is an intent-driven buyer. Now let's look at our second customer. Meet Bob. Bob's furnace is working fine, but it is 10 years old. Now Bob is relaxing on Facebook and Instagram and suddenly he comes across an ad explaining how a pre-winter tune-up can reduce his utility bills by 15% and also prevent an emergency breakdown. Now he is not experiencing any kind of immediate panic, but he got informed, he sees value and he fills out the form. Now if your marketing strategy is not addressing both John and Bob, then you are leaving a massive amount of money on the table. So how do we position your business exactly where John and Bob are looking? There are 3 paid ways and 2 highly effective organic ways to do this. So the first strategy is for the intent-driven buyers like John, you have to dominate the LSAs, Google Local Services Ads. This appears at the very top of the search results and the best part is you only pay when a qualified prospect calls or messages you. If a solicitor calls or someone dials a wrong number, then you can dispute it and get your money back from Google. Now the second thing is Google search ads. While LSAs are very broad, Google search ads allows you to get incredibly surgical. In Google search ads, you can target highly specific keywords like emergency AC replacement specialist and you can direct the clicks to the landing page particularly designed for that exact problem. Now third strategy is for already informed and educated buyers like Bob. For them, we have to use Instagram and Facebook ads. These ads are your ultimate weapon in seasonal shifts. Right before the summer or winter hits, running the targeted tune-up or cleanup campaigns can keep your technicians busy even during your slow seasons. But you don't just have to rely on the paid ads. There are 2 incredible free strategies that are working for our clients in this same niche and that can definitely work for you. Those 2 strategies are neighborhood omnipresence and old data reactivation. Now to make the first strategy work for you, you have to do just one thing. Whenever your crew finishes any major installation in any area, you just have to make them to hang 5 custom door hangers on the most immediate neighboring houses. Now doing this will spark a keeping up with Jonas's effect. Now to make the second strategy, that is database reactivation, to work in your favor, you have to just tell your office staff to text 3 to 5 of your older maintenance clients just to check in on their system. Now by doing this, you can easily reactivate your older relationships and this can drive immediate referral work. But here is the brutal truth that most marketing agencies will never tell you. You can have best Facebook ad, you can have best Google ads, but when phone rings and your team take more than 5 minutes to answer that call, it means that lead is gone. Because in US, especially in US, speed to lead is everything. That is exactly why in our company, we don't just generate exclusive leads. We back it up with good inbound call system directly into your workflow. We make sure that every high intent lead is routed instantly and answered properly. So if you want to stop burning money on shared lead platforms and want exclusively booked jobs, then let's talk. Click the link in the description below and book a zero pressure strategy call with me. Let's look at your market data together. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more growth related strategies for your HVAC business, your home services business. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.